What is good, my lovely people? Back with another backtesting session because you like the first two, and today we are gonna backtest nasdaq inside my mind, full explanations, backtesting my trading continuation model. Why mine? Because I fully transitioned from kind of trading mechanically model and copying someone else and their discretion to fully trading with my own discretion right now. And yeah, it has been going really well. So I'm gonna do a kind of an update for that. Got a backtesting session right here. Gonna ask ChatGPT for a random month between 2020 and 2022, and we got a tradeful setup right here. A subscription from my friend. He gave me his account. W to him, and we can skip through New York and share. So this is gonna be a fast video. Oh, I hope. Like I'm gonna do a quick month of. I hope you can see this. Wait. Boom, 2022 November. So let's pick this shit right here. I'm just gonna do 1 month, I think. Wait, 2022. Yeah, just do something like this. Boom. Everything perfect. NQ, yes. Strategy, boom. Yeah, okay. www. We got the session right here. I got a little bit of water on my head towards. To be honest, don't want to backtest, but I try to keep this like under 40 minutes because I want to do the whole month. Just before we start, I need some energy. So let's grab some honey right here. Raw honey, bro. Raw honey, fire. Okay, this is his layout. It's not my chart colors. I would love to have my Pornhub chart colors. But yeah. First of all, we're gonna skip, boom, to New York session. We're gonna open ES, pull up ES right here. And okay, so starting top-down analysis, 4 hour, 1 hour to find draws, 50-minute, 5-minute for structure, 1 minute for entries. And what we can already see, ES is much more bullish. I hope my cam like this is pretty good and you can see everything. We're kind of rejecting those highs already. We have an SMT right here, but those highs are still pretty clean. And this one as well. This is like kind of the external one, protected. I don't want to target those. And in case you want to hold this SMT, I can go for this. This is like a good unfilled higher time frame gap. I like it. Is there anything oh my gosh, this looks cooked. Yeah, this is good and kind of this low. So yeah, let's peep the 50-minute. Yeah, really bullish. So I just, oh wait, we just filled a new week opening gap. Okay, wait, this is crazy. We just filled a new week opening gap, higher time frame SMT. I'm more bearish now, to be honest. Okay, what are we doing? What the fuck, bro? Oh, wait. Okay, bro, this is literally easy. Okay, this is what I preach. I kind of miss my entry, to be honest. I would have loved to entry somewhere here and just play a bigger stop. Target this. This would have been a fat banger to start off the day, start off the backtesting session, just because. Simple. Manipulate those highs right here. Do we have an SMT? Yeah, bro, what the fuck? Okay, we got an internal SMT. Sweep out those highs of open. Higher time SMT. We filled the new week opening gap. We have really nice structure lower. We got an unfilled higher time frame gap. Boom. We try to go lower. Okay, we sweep some lows right here. We go back higher. We fail to put in a new high. So boom, what do we have? A failure swing. Another tip for you, look for failure swings. We fail to put in a new high and start displacing lower. This is a pretty much sign. Like if this would have been not in chop, I would have taken this. But yeah, honestly, this is like not a bad entry at all. I'll just look on the 5 minutes. This would have been like really good. And now we got the displacement. And I also kind of missed this shit because I'm just gonna entry now because okay, what I would have done in this situation is I would have put my stop right here at above the displacement candle because now, bro, what is going on with my throat? Sorry. So I would have put it above the displacement candle because realistically we would it doesn't make any sense to cover it. So and then go lower. we should respect this displacement candle, and we are most likely going to create a gap, which we will do. So I would have put a limit order right here for a 1-to-1, which kind of lines up right now. So I'm just going to jump into this. The draw is confirmed. I got a good stop loss, good momentum. So I'm going to simply enter this right here. And let's play it out. Go break even now. Yeah, go break even. Make sure. How can I go break even automatically? I don't want to like let it count towards a win. Whatever. Okay, perfect. I didn't even realize this. Okay, perfect. Do we go lower? Yeah, okay. Don't have any draws. Perfect delivery. Exactly what I wanted. Actually, you could have done something like this, which is more riskier in my opinion. But this could have also worked out. But I think... Yeah, okay. This would have hit TP. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this was also a good entry. So yeah. W, we started the day perfectly. Look how this SMT holds. Higher time frame SMT holds, new wick opening gap filled, lower time frame manipulation, SMT displacement lower, everything's lining up. Wow, this is exactly what I want to see. Now, I don't really want to... now SMT has done its job, so I don't want to really target those lows. To be honest, this is like a good day. If you don't displace through this gap, I'm simply going to skip to the next day. Yeah, okay, we are not doing shit. I'm simply gonna get like stake. I don't like this when we don't have good draws and we're stuck between higher time frame gaps like this and like this. This is bad. This plays lower. Gotta refill this higher time frame gap. Really clean draw right here. And NQ. Oh, NQ is really bearish in comparison to ES. Yeah, this looks really, really good for a short. Unfilled. I don't want to target this because it's kind of close, but maybe something of that would be nice. Yeah, something of this would be really clean. Let's see if we tap into this. Okay, we kind of displace lower. Same shit, bro. Literally same exact shit. And internal. Okay, this is literally the same setup that we got. This fat candle manipulates all of those highs right here. We took out those highs. Then we try to go lower. Boom, we fail. We kind of hold this fair value gap right here, which is good for longs. And if you want to target this fair value gap, it's like too close for me. I don't want to do this. We got a really bad flip. We failed to go higher once again. We failed to hold a PD array and failed to put in a new high failure swing. So we failed to put in bullish structure, but ES does it. So we got an SMT here, which gives me more conviction that you want to go lower. We inverse this gap, fat displacement lower, fat displacement lower. Literally same shit. I would have entered like here and just stop above the fair value gap, and like because I skipped too far, I got a better entry. So maybe I can just... Yeah, honestly, we shouldn't come up all the way to here. So I'm gonna take this once again. This is this exact same set, literally same setup. Okay, this is really clean. If you get like 1-2 displacement candles. What this delivery, bro? Perfect. I just want to tell you, if you get 1 more 2 candles with displacement lower. Okay, this is kind of slowing down. I don't like this. I would trail. Why are we slowing down? I don't like this. Did I miss something? Not really, bro. Like, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna trail because I don't like how we slow down, but I want to see if we retrace into this gap. Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna just try here. Oh, did we hit? Oh, we would have hit TP. Yeah, fucking hell. Now I know why we... This is news. Yeah, this is 10 AM news. This is why we slowed down. Okay, we would have hit TP anyways, but I'm not even mad that like, it was a good decision. Like, nice. I like this. If you took this trade, because it's also a really good entry, I think. Okay, maybe like limit, I don't know, whatever. This would have been break even, so it's good that I kind of moved my stop loss and trailed just because we slowed down like this. It kind of indicates weakness. And I just want to secure profit because I'm so deep into profit. I don't want to give it all back to the market. But exact same principles, exact same idea behind the trade. So yeah, we are rejecting it now. Tap the higher time frame gap here as well. What? Oh wait, this should be data, right? Yeah, those are data lows. Literally my only target, but I would mark out considering encroachment of this wick right here, just in case. But data lows you play really aggressively. Where's market open? Market open comes up. Do we have... We got an SMT. Yes, took it. Okay, now I want to see how we behave in this 30-minute gap. We displace... Okay, we are displacing through... Wait, okay, we are displacing through it. Honestly, bro, I think it's kind of prematurely to jump into long and shorts now, but this is like data candle. Okay, I'm gonna entry this with a bigger stop. I like how we kind of tapped the gap, started going lower. It's not something based off this reaction. Like, this has nothing to do with this reaction. I just like the entry point. I was already thinking about entering here, but this kind of gave me more conviction. Yeah, NQ is also much better, and I don't see a point. I can even do something like this. I don't see us reversing before we tap the hourly constant encroachment of this rejection block. If I'm gonna go break even if we tap this and then let it ride, because I'm expecting flush, because this is a point where we can reverse. And I could also mark out something like this. But yeah, I'm just gonna entry this with a little bit less size, so just to like 450. But right here, I'm only playing safe stop loss above all the 5-minute gaps you want to retrace, and a good drawn liquidity, which is data low, which is so good. But yeah, okay, now we reject. Nah, I'm gonna go break even. Like, usually like in those type of situations, I have a soft break even. I would say I'm just waiting for a reaction, but because this is backtesting, I literally don't know what the next candle can look like. We can easily pump like here, because we kind of tickle this CE and kind of reject of that. So yeah, I'm expecting... Okay, we reverse, but we can get an entry, a re-entry, so it's fine. If we get something of this 5-minute gap now, this would be so clean. Okay, 50-minute, tap to 50-minute. Quite unfortunately, in worst is 5-minute, which is not good, but if we get a flip here, I'm gonna take it. Okay, this is like the perfect example. What I noticed, just rejection blocks, higher time frame. Look at this, bro. Literally perfect, tick perfect to the CE, and literally reversed for 210 points. That's how people top tick, by the way. And yeah, we are literally reversed of this shit. That's why it went break even. Oh, wait. We edged it again? I mean, we still got the draw. There's literally nothing higher. We have this right here. You also have this. Oh wait, we're in Asia. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, now what do we have? Some equal highs. I like those. I like this 1 hour gap. Yeah, just gonna see what we gonna do. Okay, took the gap. Let's see if we flip. Okay, we displace through. Is there anything lower we could target? This is like some high, like this is like trend line liquidity. I call this shit. We could easily just bounce off here. Yeah, look what I'm talking about. Those are like tiny things that I just noticed in the last couple of months. It's some bullshit. Like, look at this LR, and we're respecting this trend line. It's some bullshit that I don't use. I don't use trend lines, but it's something that I noticed where we bounce off, and I'm not gonna trade this. I'm simply not gonna trade this. No good draws, no good structure. Okay, I'm not gonna long this because we are in this death gap. I'd call them death gaps because they're literally really big and doesn't make any sense for us to long there. And it seems like we don't have a short besides this 1 hour gap. Swap this high. Kind of going lower now. I would love, honestly, I mean, if I get a 1-to-1, like a, yeah, like a solid limit right here, 1-to-1, good stop loss. Above the displacing candle, we rebalance kind of right here. Break even at those internal lows. I'm down to do this. Go 500 risk. Oh, oh my god. Okay, wait. Literally tick perfect. What the fuck? Okay. But we also, this is what I mean, bro. Like in live markets, I would have been break even here already because we are so close to TP, right? But we kind of rejected this shit and we're gonna get stopped out break even, which sucks. We could literally retrace and go lower. But yeah, I'm just gonna let it run. Okay, bro, what is this type of delivery? I've never seen this shit before. Leaving a fat ass gap, not even tapping that once. We literally bottom take this shit, top take this shit right here, just because I went for a 1-to-1. Okay, this shit's insane. Fire, bro. This is type of delivery I want to have right now in March. But March sucks because of Iran and everything. But we got CPI tomorrow. And if you want to load up with 0 accounts that are getting updated, you can support me and use code Milad with Alpha Futures. But yeah, fuck this shit. W day. W start. We are cooking right now. We are undefeated. So I might just do it until I take a loss. But maybe it will just take for too long. Because we are, bro, we are only at the 9th of November. So I gotta speed up a little bit. Okay. I'm just gonna go lock in speed modus right now. Speed mode. I'm gonna turn on some music for me. But I'm gonna mute it for this stream. Because I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. And I wanna speedrun the shit. So I hope you don't hear that. Yeah, you shouldn't be able to. And I'm just gonna mark out my draws, look at the structure, and see where we're displacing towards. This doesn't look bad. This is good. I like this. More bearish 100%. Displacing lower as well. I would love to see like a retrace because this is not a solid candle closure. Retrace and flip here. Nah. Okay, chop. Next day, I'm not gonna waste time on this shit right here. ES took this low. Only gonna target it on NQ if you're displacing towards it, but would love to see this getting taken on ES. Still in those kind of dev gaps. What? Okay, wait. Oh, okay. This is the real day. Okay, what are we doing, bro? Is this data? Okay, this is kind of bugged. What am I doing? This looks really clean. Okay, bro, what the fuck is this candle? Wait. 450 points CPI. Imagine CPI tomorrow passing your accounts with one trade. 450 points. Insane. But yeah, I'm not gonna trade this. The target too close. Okay, I'm gonna just play out a little bit. If we get a retrace in those candles. Okay, it isn't that bad. Okay, wait. I want to see a deeper retrace. With a candle, CPI candle like this, I want to see a deeper retrace, and this movement is really shit. I'm not gonna waste my time again. I'm simply not. Okay, wait. Now this looks good. We kind of broke out, took lots of draws, and kind of flushing lower, but there are no targets lower for me. Our 100% target is high. This is like really clean. ES is more bullish, so I'm gonna target it on ES. Yeah, this looks good. Let it play. Let some price action play out. Okay, this is solid flip. Let's see, 15 minutes split. Never mind, no flip on 15 minute. Oh, okay. We kind of displaced towards the drawn liquidity right here. Later in the day, there's literally nothing stopping us. Steering from a higher time frame gap, swept out those lows. NQ turned more bullish, as you can see. This candle to 1031 took out this low on ES. So we are more bullish on NQ. Perfect inversion. Maybe delivery of the higher time frame. Yep. 5 minute. 50 minute as well. Okay, bro. This is... Oh my god. I think this is like A+ trade. Yeah, this is an A+ trade. This is literally an A+ trade. This is the definition of an A+ trade. I'm willing to put good amount of money on that. Like perfect flip, perfect draw, everything. Go break even on the internal high. I'm gonna go break even here actually, because I don't like how we go higher, go back lower, go back higher, tickle my entry like twice. And yeah, you can argue here's a tiny fair value gap, but do we literally wanna go lower, go higher, go lower, go higher, to go back lower? I don't think so. If you go back lower, we're just simply gonna chop and wick me out or whatever. So I'd rather get break even and like kind of go break even instead of losing the trade. Because I expect this to flush, even though I wanted to go break even here. But okay, I'ma wait for one more candle. Yeah, okay. I need to go break even. Now it's just gambling if I don't. Fire, 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 man. What is this delivery, bro? Perfect. W entry, W trade. And yeah, NQ actually turned more bullish. Those are also tiny things that you need to look out for. Who took out those lows first? ES turned more. ES was more bullish here, but then ES flipped bearish. So gotta pay attention to those things. More bullish 100%. We got this fat wick right here. No real draws lower. Kind of overextended though, so maybe target this. I don't like it because it's protected, but... Oh, okay, we're in Asia again. Okay, what are we doing here, bro? I'm gonna go to the 5-minute time frame because this is a fed range. If you don't break out... Okay. Okay. We could fill this new week opening gap. Oh man, I don't know. We are such... I'm not... Okay, I'm gonna take it in backtesting. I would never take it in live markets. Never. Look at this fed range. Literally rejecting highs and lows. And I'm kind of predicting a breakout. ES kind of broke out, which is good, but we got a new week opening gap to fill. Delivering of a 5-minute gap. Volume looks clean though. Yeah, I wouldn't take this. Okay, this is by far the worst trade that I would take. This backtesting session so far. But this will be like really quick break even. I would entry here, but this is kind of the same thing right now. But yeah, not the big of a risk. Like the draw is here, the stop is kind of alright, but the conditions are not the greatest. But not every trade is perfect, so you gotta take that into consideration as well. This is fire. Okay, this is fire. I'm gonna go break Q now. He took out internal high. Oh my god, I shit my pants here. Wow, I'm glad that we kind of broke out higher. But this is like a point where we could reject because this is the top of the range. Somewhere here. So I need to go break even. Okay, I thought we were gonna get edged, but... Is this gonna... Is this... I think this is counted as like a loss, so... Wait. Yeah, we are... Why are we counting this as a loss? Whatever. I'm not gonna count this as a loss. It's a break even. Yeah, what are we doing, bro? Next day. This gotta be data, right? Yeah, again. Data low. Do we just... Is there anything higher to target? Yeah, we got those highs right here. Did ES take him? Yeah, okay, yes. So much more bullish. What the hell? I'm gonna just keep the mark there. I mean, looks good for bullish prices, but also data low. Okay, what are we doing, bro? This is kind of sketch. I mean, the structure looks good, but to be honest, on trades like those, we close like this. I want to see the next candle open like really bearish and just entry something like this. So I'm gonna see if he displays, if we get exactly, bro. Because I see the shit. If we get no weak candle, we're gonna cover it the next candle after. But yeah, bro, this could be an A plus setup. If you get a flip now, okay, bro, are we inverting this shit? I mean, nah, bro, I'm not gonna like drag it too long. It's already too late into the session. Yeah, this looks really clean for those eyes. Data again? Oh wait, what the fuck, bro? Why is it not loading properly? I mean, yeah, okay, we are kind of overextended. Looks like a daily gap to me. Yeah, you got this right here. Oh, we got it tinier above. But we also got this. Yeah, this looks really clean. Yes, ES is more bullish, I think. Okay. Okay. Is this data? Yeah, but already taken. Okay. This looks good. Not a good closure. This is a good closure now, but like this is chop. Yeah, this is chop and yes, it's kind of weird. I'm not gonna take this. Yeah, exactly. Okay, sorry. Never mind. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I really fuck with the displacement. I'm gonna take this and go break and target the next draw, but go break even here. Because I'm 100% sure we're gonna take this draw. This is like so free. Oh wait, we got another draw right here. Yeah, okay, let's target this. This is good. Go break even here, and yeah, I'm pretty sure this. We're gonna hit at least. We can risk a little more. We can at least go and take out the first draw, so we can go break even. Hopefully. Yeah, perfect. Displacement lower. It looks promising. Okay, unlucky, man. Rejected the draw. Gonna deliver now. Yeah. But this is like low probability. It was a good break even. Like perfectly executed. Okay. Next day. What is this? 16th of November and 30 minutes. Okay, this is not a bad of a pace. Gotta keep up a little more. Be a little faster now. Okay, literally nothing to short to besides this gap. This looks really clean. And also, I mean, those 1 hour gaps look also pretty nice as well. Yeah, I'm more bullish though. If you get it, yeah. Yeah, 100%. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it, bro, because we slowed down so much. This placement is crazy. I'm gonna take this. I hope I get a good risk reward. I want to have a stop somewhere right here. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. No. I'm gonna limit order this for a 1-to-1. Yeah, I'm gonna limit order this somewhere here. Hopefully this shit hits. Because, okay, quick explanation. 925. This plays lower, but then we just kept going higher. Off open, we just kept going higher. Weakness to the downside, respecting bullish fair value gaps, going higher, really, really clean. We are pretty overextended on the 1 hour right here. Those like lots of 1 hour gaps that can fill. Just took out a low. We are in fat higher time frame, bullish gaps. Overall, higher time frame is bullish. So I want to see us actually just displace higher a little bit, and I'm pretty confident we're gonna do that after this 5-minute close as well. I just hope I do get filled into this limit order, and I'm just gonna risk like 800. Okay, this is perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Yeah, also why I didn't go with my stop right here at this low, because it's like too close, bro. We are also too close to the market open. And just look at the higher time frame. Your stop would be kind of like right here. It just doesn't make sense. This is not safe. This is like safe. We still have room for a retrace and then a flip, so yeah, now I'm gonna break even. Insane delivery again. Fire. Could we target? No, perfect. Tick perfect. As stop loss and TP should be any spot where it just makes sense. Don't guess, don't do anything stupid. TP is important as well. Okay, we flipped higher. Immediate first thing I see is this. This as well. This low right here. Not looking for any longs, to be honest. Yeah, not looking for any longs. Especially we took out the draw. As you can see, took out the draw, tapped the higher time frame gap. We got some unfilled higher time frame gaps below. So I'm looking for some shorts. Wait. Can I limit this, bro? Okay, oh. Never mind. Oh, no way, bro. Like, in live market, you... No, I'm not. No, I'm not gonna take this because we are in this 1 hour gap. The stop loss would be kind of weird. No, I wouldn't take this. No. I crashed out for no reason. Also, just because I wouldn't get a 1-to-1. Just look at this. Let me see if I could have done the tactic here. Go break even now. Yeah, I would have be break even. Oh, do we get something? No, I don't like this. This is bullshit. I don't like this. Weird. Asia again. What the fuck? Okay, now. Oh, those lows looks really promising to me. Looks... Yeah, okay, nah. I don't like those lows that much now. Those highs right here. I'm not gonna entry this. There's no risk reward. Look. Yeah, that's why I didn't take it. Okay, now we flip though. Can we continue going lower? Apparently not. There's nothing higher for me personally. I'm not gonna target this. Okay, now we're going lower. Did we get something? Like I need a little bit more structure. Okay, it's already 11. I'm not gonna force a trade at this time. Got some beautiful lows right here. Kind of a like really bad structure. I don't like those lows. Okay, we swept out something with them. So like, look, those lows right here swept out those lows. So it's a high resistance low. And overall structure, as you can see, is bullish. So I would love to see higher prices now. This looks good. And this high kind of also stands out. Yeah, this looks clean. Those highs look pretty nice. Okay, apparently not. Yeah, I'm not gonna target this. Look how we edged low because they protected low. Just look at this, bro. Exactly what I don't target those. Let's see if we get something here. Oh. Oh, this was kinda clean. 35 minutes. Oh wait, it's already 11:30. Okay. Next day. Next day. Kinda speedrun this shit. Oh, what? What are we doing? Okay, I guess 23rd of November. We are good. We are in a good pace. How many trades do we have? We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we took 5 wins and 3 break evens. So 100% win rate right now. Wait, I didn't even mark out draws. I just started pumping. Yeah, I don't like this draw, but yeah, I don't like it. And ES is so bullish. Honestly, cook day. I don't even wanna target anything. Weird candle. News candle. No good structure, no good structure. Oh, I'm getting tired, sorry. Yeah, yes, took it out. 11 already, no good structure. Next day. What am I looking at here? Okay, ES has a really nice high. Really clean high right here. Yeah, and NQ. I would love to target those ES highs. How is the structure looking like? Already pretty bullish. If you kind of start displacing through this gap right here, I would actually... Okay, E and Q manipulated lower. Took out those lows. Did we tap anything? Half. Yeah, yeah. I mean, bro, this looks really clean if you flip on ES now. Holy chop, bro. Okay, I'm not gonna... Is this bank holiday, bro? Nah, it's Thursday. Okay, whatever. Okay, we flipped lower actually and left this high. I mean, I'm still gonna mark this out. Like those highs are good on ES. And looks like a daily gap maybe? Lower on NQ? No, we are in a daily gap. Okay. But yeah, those lows look pretty promising. especially with how bearish we are, but we could also easily retrace into somewhere here. Yeah, let's just see where we displace of open. I like this. Okay, I don't like this that much. 15 minutes is pretty overextended. We don't have a significant retrace. We could do it at any moment. But this is like textbook. This is like really clean. To be honest, it might hit, but I'm just gonna wait till we get a beautiful retrace. Oh my days, exactly like this. Now a 50-minute gap retrace. Oh, but this is a really aggressive retrace. Okay. Okay, what are we doing, bro? No trade day once again. Next day we're in Asia. Next day we got an walk, which is super nice. Really nice draw liquidity. Nothing lower besides this right here. Yeah, I want to see this new week opening gap. And yeah, already kind of bullish, right? Nah, I want to see. Yeah, okay, I want to see his 5-minute displacing. Like, I'm not gonna get you. I'm just gonna play it like this. I'm gonna target the new week opening gap fill. Oh, we just stepped the 1-hour gap as well. Oh, is it a 1-hour gap? No, it isn't. We just took out a high with an SMT though. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna get this high, bro. Like the new week opening gap, at least here. I'll play one more candle. Okay, bro. Now at this point, I'm cooked. Oh, fucking hell, bro. No fucking way, bro. This would have been so perfect. I would have played it so perfectly. Please give me a retrace. Oh my god. Oh, we already tapped it. What am I marking out? Like, we already filled this shit. Oh, I guess, bro. I guess. Next day, missed this shit, because... Yeah, we just swept out some highs. I wasn't that confident. Okay, it is whatever. It's actually my birthday, 29th birthday, 29th of November. We are already at 43 minutes. So let's look whether we can get something to here. ES is much more bearish. This is good. It is good. This looks good for ES shorts. What the fuck? Look how the day changed. Okay. Now this looks good for both sides. Give me a retrace. Like, live market, I would have been in this shit right here. Honestly, 100%. This is textbook. But I can do the same shit right here, where I kind of target the next draw because the displacement is so fire. We off open, we tap this 1-minute gap and respect it, and like this displacement is out of this world. I'm gonna take it and gonna do the same shit. Yeah, target. Yeah, this looks good. Target the next possible, the next draw. Go break even at the first one. Please displace. Perfect. Yeah, we kind of rejected. I need to go break even now. Yeah, okay. We got break even here. Please don't deliver now. Okay. I kind of freeze for a moment. We do not deliver. Yeah, worthy shot. 100% valid. We are overall bearish. We got pretty nice clean lows right here. This is kind of a big move to do it to come to those lows. So that's why I go break even here. I'm not expecting for price to deliver to there, but the first lows were pretty confirmed. So yeah, and I missed my initial entry. But now we got some nice structure for shorts. Yeah, this looks really clean for shorts as well again. Is this data? Okay. We get data highs above. Double data highs, right? Yeah. I already, I marked out 2 weeks and I didn't even realize those are 2 weeks. But then I look, 8:15, 8:30. This is insane. What the fuck? I never had this. But first of all, I want to see us displace through this 50-minute gap. Like, get a good displacement candle here. Get a good closure. Something like this, I would actually target. Okay, and oh. Like, market open goes lower. We didn't take out any lows, but this candle is like, bro. Like, we got internal. I'm gonna take it just because it's an data, like double data highs. I got the room for a good stop loss. Maybe just something like this. I like it, bro. This is double data high. Even though we are higher time frame more bearish, like those are double data highs. Please. And like right here, this is a protected low. So honestly, this is not even a good draw. This is better. And this as well. And we are kind of doing a hard time frame gap. So bro, if this does not hit, I'm gay. Please. Oh, okay. To be honest, this is break even. Like, I need to go break even. We took out the internal high right here. We poked right here and started rejecting and made an SMT. This was really close as well. I don't like how after this displacement we get a deep retrace in this range. I would love to go break even. Oh, okay. I'll break even here, 100%. Fire. Okay, I would. Do I trail? Like, I mean, like, I would probably just trail for a winning day, to be honest, because now I just want to see price delivering here. Okay, crazy. Did we edge those? Oh my god, what are we doing, bro? This was a good, what is it called? Trail though, yeah, what are we doing? Wait, it was the last day. So wait, are we done? What the fuck, man? What the hell? We pumped like crazy. Okay, I guess. Yeah, it's the 3rd of December. Maybe we get something to those data lows. Let's look. Nah. Edged the shit and simply went higher. Yeah, whatever. Okay, we are done trading this month right here. And 100% win rate, right? Break even, break even, break even, break even. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 break evens and 5 fat wins and also 1 trailed out. So it took 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades, which is super fine. I would never get this a few months ago, and now I'm just kind of trading more aggressively, which is so nice. And I hope I could help you guys. Let me go to the stats real quick. YouTube video. Okay, it needs to load. Let's refresh. 70% win rate. It is fake, and the risk reward ratio is also fake. Just look at the profit factor, guys. So this is fake. We got a 100% win rate because this is the break evens. Wait, what? How can I? November 22. Perfect. Yeah. Look at this. Those are break evens right here. So they count as losses because we are in drawdown. Like we lost $2, $1.30. But of course, also this right here counts as a win, which is false. So without those three and this one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins. 6 wins, 0 losses, which is super nice. And the average risk reward ratio you guys saw, I've been only like trading 1-to-1s or more. And I only got traded out once for a winning day right here. So yeah, this shit's insane. Like really, really clean, really nice delivery. And I'm saying win rate. W backtesting session. I think every single backtest session of mine I uploaded on YouTube has had an 100% win rate. So I am due to a big loss, big fat losses. So I hope next backtesting session will be great as well. But I hope I could help you. If you want to support me, guys, call me out with Alpha Futures tomorrow, CPI. Yeah, if you want a full port, whatever, I don't know. It helps more than you think. Free Discord in the description. Everything else in the description as well. I love you. Thank you for the support. I hope I could help. And we see you in the next one.